Sao Paulo, located in Brazil, is a vibrant and bustling city offering unique experiences to tourists and travelers. Known as the largest city in South America, Sao Paulo is a melting pot of cultures offering a wide range of attractions and activities. For travelers looking to visit Sao Paulo, drone footage can serve as a valuable tool for research and trip planning. By viewing video taken from an aerial view, visitors can get an idea of the sights and layout of the city. Sao Paulo's cityscape is characterized by modern architecture and bustling streets. There are many attractions, from the famous Paulista Avenue to the historic city center. Visitors can also enjoy the beautiful parks and green spaces scattered throughout the city, such as Ibirapuera Park. Sao Paulo is not only a business center, but also a cultural hotspot. The city boasts many museums, art galleries, theaters, and music venues to suit every taste. Whether you are interested in contemporary art or traditional Brazilian music and dance performances, there is something for everyone in Sao Paulo. Sao Paulo has become a popular destination for both domestic and international travelers due to its vibrant tourism industry. Visitors can explore many attractions such as art museums, parks, and vibrant neighborhoods. The city hosts numerous cultural events throughout the year, including music festivals, art exhibitions, theater performances, and more. When planning a visit to Sao Paulo, it is important to consider factors such as weather conditions and peak tourist season.